are able to have for our special guest to this finale, none other but the longest-serving city mayor, not only in Davao City, but I think of the whole Philippines. Tonight, I would like to invite to come to speak to us our President or the Mayor of Davao City, who, if God's willing, will become the President of the Philippines. Do you believe? Doon na lang po yung sa kadamgong kagigunitan 17 years ago. I-invite ko ni Mayor Motog Manila, nagdula ni golf dito sa Malacanang grounds. Niyong ko, Mayor man lang ni siya nganong presidente naman sa Pilipinas 17 years ago.
I'd like to say something about a dream. Actually, one day, 17 years ago, I invited Pastor to play golf somewhere outside Davao City. And before reaching the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hole sa golf, he stopped and said, Mayor, I'd like to just tell you about it. And there were 3 of us. The husband of Pingay, he passed away a few months ago. Could be 1 year after. Sasabihin ko sa inyo, sabi niya, Mayor, I dreamt last night that you are the President of the Philippines. Yes! You know, I am, of course, would not be happy to hear it. At coming from the mouth, the pastor, whom I really trust and respect very deeply, and I have this deep and abiding faith in him as a man of God. I just smiled and looked to the heavens. Sabi ko, well, mabuti sana if God would really give it to me. It was about 17 years ago, along the way, baka binawi na ni God ang promise. Well, anyway, I said, I have a destiny, and I will live the destiny sa akin.